Sir, I am Christian Joseph C. Palma, your BSMT third year student from section Canopus. So, here are the 5 steps or phases of dry docking. So, there are 5. So, consists of preparation, docking, maintenance and repair, testing and trials, and the last is undocking. So, first is preparation. So in preparation, the preparation phase involves inspecting the dry dock, preparing the ship's docking plan, and ensuring all necessary tools and materials are ready. During this phase, the dock is inspected for safety, and blocking arrangements are planned to fit the ship's specific shape. So in this preparation is dapat na prepare na tanan ang mga kinahanglanong mga materials. So, dapat preparation, inspecting the dry dock. So, inspect ang dry dock and then sa ship's docking plan. Next is the docking. In the docking phase, the ship is guided into the dock with precision. The dock is then drained to expose the ship's underwater hull. Tugboats may assess in the positioning and divers might inspect the blocks to ensure the ship is perfectly aligned and supported. So, in the docking phases, dapat na guided by the dock with precision. So, and then, tugboats is nag-assess to position the ship and then inspect po sa mga divers kung na-align ba ang vessel and supported. The next is the maintenance and repair. So once the ship is safely on blocks, maintenance and repairs begin. This may involve cleaning the hull, removing marine growth, repainting, addressing structural repairs and machinery maintenance. Inspections are also conducted to assess any hidden damage. So, trabaho sa maintenance and repair. And then the testing and trials. So after repairs, the testing and trials phase ensures everything is functioning properly. Equipment is tested, machinery is run, and the ship undergoes checks for watertight integrity. This is crucial to ensure the ship is ready for service once it leaves the dock. And then the last is the undocking. In the final undocking phase, the dock is flooded, allowing the ship to float. The ship is then carefully maneuvered out of the dock and prepared for sea trials. The docking process is done with great care to ensure the stability and safety of the vessel. And so that's all, and thank you, sir.